Hey Lauren, hope you're having a wonderful day. Really quickly, just want to go over your Facebook page and give you some marketing advice for your brand new cleaning business. Looks like you guys just started this year in February, so congratulations on the new business. Looks like you're off to a great start. You got a nice looking Facebook page, a good brand, nice logo, so that is great. I do notice you only have 22 likes on your Facebook page right now, so one tip to get more likes is you can go here, invite friends, and then you can select all and send invites to all your friends, and then every time you're hanging out with different family members or really close friends, you can ask them to do the same. I did that in my first week of starting my business, and I got 800 likes on my page, which just kind of builds credibility. Another thing you can do is you can invite friends, and it used to be, I'm not sure if you can do it still, you might be able to, oh, doesn't look like it. It used to be that you could send the invite with a message, and inside the message it also will say, hi, inviting you to like this page because I thought you might be interested in supporting it. But then you can go back through to all of them and say, hey, I started a new business in Pittsburgh area doing home cleaning. If you know anybody who might be interested in getting their home cleaned or having any referrals for me, please reach out. And then you can copy and paste that message to everybody. And doing that is a really good way to work your network and get referrals when you first start out. Another thing for new businesses, for free advertising, creating Facebook Marketplace ads is actually really, really effective. If you look here, you can see other people's ads. Facebook Marketplace is technically only for items. That's why they have prices here. Usually the cleaners don't put their actual prices because it's all custom quotes. But if you look at how everyone is doing their listings, they'll just do a few pictures of them cleaning and say, hey, this is the deal. Please call us at this number. A lot of times they'll actually hide your information, and so you'll get people messaging you on Facebook. But that's another great way. Whenever you're short on bookings, you can just make a few listings, and you can set how large of an area and stuff that you want to be advertising for. That's a few free tips. Other free things, of course, Craigslist is pretty cheap to post on, but a lot of those people are pretty cheap. They don't always want to spend a lot of money. And then the other thing that I highly suggest you do is to create a Google business listing. I was trying to find when I Googled your business name, Favorite Day Cleaning Pittsburgh, I could not, or Favorite Day Cleaning, couldn't find any businesses on Google named that business, so I don't think you have your GMB set up properly. So let me go over that really quickly. You need to go to google.com/business, and then you're going to sign in with whatever email account you want to use for your company. So I have a lot of them in all my accounts, but if I don't have any other accounts for you. But anyways, if I signed in with a new one and I tried to start a new business, it will ask you a series of questions, and as you fill it out, it will prompt you eventually to fill in your address, and they'll send you a postcard. And then after you get the postcard and enter the verification code, you'll have a verified business. And that's where you can get reviews, you can respond to reviews, you can advertise. And the goal of the GMB for you is to rank #1 in the maps. Because a lot of people, when they search for cleaning services near me, or cleaning services Pittsburgh, PA, that kind of stuff, they're going to just call the first two people on the maps. So you really, really want to be in the top 3 because there's tons of businesses competing for those top 3 spots, but there's a few tricks to get in the top 3. So I'll go over those tips right now. The first thing you need to do is make sure your business profile is completely set up, including writing the fully written out business description, 750 characters long. You want to make sure also that you have all the right categories. So there's a few different categories that you want to include. For example, if you do commercial work, you want to have commercial cleaning services, house cleaning services. There's another one called just cleaning services and cleaners. So add all of those applicable categories. That's super important. The next thing you're going to want to do is add tons of photos, at least 25 photos at the beginning, ideally before and after photos and not super wide ones. Just kind of the 750 by 750 pixels square photos are the best. Before you upload the photos, you want to name the photos as keywords that you're trying to rank for. Things like Cleaning Services Pittsburgh, We Clean, Cleaning Company, that kind of thing. That's what you want to name the pictures as before you upload them. The more times you have those type of keywords on your profile, the better. So you want to have them in the pictures, you want to have them in the business description, you want to have people mention them in the reviews. All of those things are tips to help you rank for those specific keywords. The next thing you're going to want to do is get a bunch of citations for your business. This takes a bit of time when you're first starting out, but it is super worth it because it will help you rank in the map pack, and it will also let you be found in other websites. Websites like Yelp, Thumbtack, Angie's List, BBB, Home Advisor, your business Facebook page, etc. All of those websites are called directories and citations, and the more you have, the more credible you seem to Google, because Google scours the web to see how many times your website and your business name and your phone number are mentioned. And if you have a bunch of websites that are all talking about you, or you have listings, then you're going to rank really well on the maps. Usually when I'm doing SEO for clients, I get around 100 of them. You could probably get by with just doing this list right here. This is on WhiteSpark. The next thing that you want to do is you want to create your own website. So you can create free websites just with the let's see if anybody has it. Nope. With your Google My Business profile, they'll prompt you to create a website if you don't already have one, and I suggest you doing it. All you do is upload a few photos and they'll auto-populate it, and you can change out the content a little bit. And it's a free website and it's really easy to do yourself. Of course, when you get a little bit more established, you want to build your own professional website and rank that on Google as well. That's what I do for a living. That's my main bread and butter, because then you'll not only be here in the maps, you'll also be in the top ranking spot right here. And you can look, let me show you just how powerful well-optimized website can be. This one page on this website is ranking for, it gets 32 keywords indexed for, and it gets 158 traffic to their website. With 158 traffic, you're probably going to get pretty busy with the amount of calls you have. These are the keywords people are searching. You should take note of this, maybe take a screenshot. Pittsburgh Cleaning Services, you get searched 150 times every month. That's great. Pretty good market. Maid Service Pittsburgh, 100 times. Pittsburgh House Cleaning, 100 times. Cleaning Services Pittsburgh, 150 times. Each time you change the word order or the spelling or anything else, it's a whole separate search query with different data on it. This column here is how competitive it is. This is a fairly competitive market online. It means quite a few other businesses are doing SEO on their websites, so it's going to take you a bit longer to rank on Google if you're doing SEO for your website. But that's enough about that, since you don't have a website yet. If you do get one in the future and you want me to audit it and give you SEO tips on the website, feel free to ask and reach out. I'd be happy to help you with any other marketing questions or things you might need help with in the future. Have a good day.